Today I want to talk about two things in regards to default setup or default settings or things that you think should work that don't work. Hi, my name is Alicia and I want to talk to you today about your user settings. So there's two things specifically I want to call out in this video today. One is that if you have a user that does not have the ability to do attachments, so if you're say you're on a vendor record and you're trying to attach a 1099, or you're on a customer record and you're trying to attach like a tax exemption document or something like that. If you don't have the ability, that specific user doesn't have the ability to do an attachment, what you want to do is have them go to their settings. So if you hit the little cog or the little wheel up beside the question mark and go into user options, once you're in here, you'll see that there is a flag. There is a flag in here. Under preferences that says document handling, it says enable document handling. If this is turned off, so in other words it's set to no, then that specific user will not be able to add attachments. So that's one thing. The other thing I would like to share with you today is this country region. This is how the system knows what country to default your addresses to when you're adding a new record. So here you can see this says USA, so if I were to go try to add a new customer address, for example, it's going to default my country code on that address to USA. If I go here and change this to Ukraine, just as an example, now when I go over here to my customers and add an address, one of the things that you're going to notice is that my country code defaults to the Ukraine. So part of the reason I want to point this out is if you have certain users that are getting different results or having different circumstances, like their country codes are different or their time zones are different or their language is different, those kinds of things, all of that is controlled from the user settings. So take a look around in here and you'll be surprised at what you'll find.